What's up guys, and welcome to a vlog about the GoPro Max 360 camera. Just picked this guy up online and I'm going to do a vlog today about my first impressions. All I'm going to do is attach it to my bike and take you for a ride around my hometown in Adelaide, Australia. I'll show you the mount now that I've attached to the bike. It's a pretty basic mount for $10 off eBay, and that's going to be what I film today. So as you can see, I've got the GoPro Max mounted right there on the handlebars. It's just a little mount, there's no extension or pole, and we're going to see what kind of 360 footage we can get while traveling on the bike through Adelaide City. So let's go, off we head on the bike.
Sweet as rain, caught in your hurricane. Even on the days when we collide, we had the oceans on our side. But this time, you calling me when I'm alone. We're swimming into the unknown. But this time, I'm finding words to say I'm sorry, but I'm screaming underwater. When you feel it in your bloodstreams, you can heal the infected heart. When you feel it in your bloodstream, you know you love somebody, you know you love someone. Faded memories, pictures that I burned. Funny how much love can hurt when you cut yourself on deadly words. But this time, you calling me when I'm alone. We're swimming into the unknown. But this time, I'm finding words to say I'm sorry, but I'm screaming underwater. When you feel it in your bloodstreams, you can heal the infected heart. When you feel it in your bloodstream, you know you love somebody, you know you love someone.
some of it's a little bit fisheye and, you know, the little man riding on the globe. It's a bit of a weird shot, but considering that the GoPro Max was mounted directly on the handlebar without an extension pole, I was pretty surprised I could see myself as a whole in general. I thought it was just going to be looking back at my chest, but even mounted right there on the handlebars, I could see my full body, and it did have that drone follow look. Obviously, once I get my extension pole that's in the mail on the way, that drone follow shot will be enhanced and look even better. Was pretty stoked with the stability of the GoPro. It has that stabilizer built in, so there was so many bumps and all that out on the way. So the fact that it, you know, films nice and smooth, that's exactly what you want if you're bike riding and you've got that camera mounted for the whole ride. I think probably the most advantageous, or the, you know, the best feature of having a GoPro Max 360 mounted on the bike is that you can just mount it, leave it there, and then in the edit, when you finish your bike ride, you can kind of look left and look right, because if you're just fixed in one direction, it does get a bit boring. So, you know, you might have some great scenery on either side, which you can edit in later. So definitely, I think the Max overall would be the better pick than a regular GoPro to mount on your handlebar. And once I get that extension pole, that's just going to be another level. So yeah, pretty stoked. First impressions, you know, really awesome. And I'll be going out for a few more rides here in Adelaide and mastering the editing and the filming of the GoPro Max 360, because it is a bit of an art, a little bit different to just a regular GoPro. But yeah, I'm gonna head in there, check out all of the footage and put together what you saw about 2 minutes ago. I'm gonna be posting a bunch more GoPro Max 360 vlogs and a lot of bike content. So if you do want to hit the subscribe button, now's the time to do it. Hit the like button, leave me a comment. I'll answer them all in the comment section below. And yeah, get ready for some more bike and 360 content while I'm here in Adelaide, Australia during the lockdown. Cheers, guys.